The third stage is model development and training. From the previous stage, we would have got a data set, right? In this stage, what we will do is we'll just split the data set into training data set and test data set. Okay, so here we'll apply different learning algorithms to the training data set. From the word, it is very clear. We are making the computer to learn using the training data set. Okay, it is an iteration process. At the end, we'll select a model based on the performance. The next stage is model evaluation and refinement. From the word, it is very clear. We are going to evaluate the model. So, how do we evaluate it? Using the test data set. Right? We will evaluate the system. In this stage, we'll check how well the model performs. If the model performance is not satisfactory, we'll just adjust the model parameters, or we'll just go back to data acquisition, even start from the scratch. Next stage is deployment. If the model performance is satisfactory, we'll just deploy it in the environment.